good, y'all? It's your boy DZ, back at it again. We're doing a product review right now. We done went ahead and copped some JDM style fog light deletes for the 2015 STI. These are set to resemble the fog light covers for the like 0405, the blob eye style front end. How they had the STIs had the covers, the fog light covers. We got these from Jdmuscleusa. So we have them right here in the box, and let's get these unpacked. Let's see what they got for us. All right, so we got the box. These are packaged up really nicely. These are the actual deletes. We got some goodies. We got license plate frame. We got some we got some stickers too. Oh, okay, cool. You like the freebies? You like the freebies? Let's get into this though. And these are actually wrapped up really nice. And yeah, shout out to Jdmuscleusa for sending these packaged so well so they don't get effed up. Ooh, these are icy. I like these. I got them in red because obviously my car is red from the factory. So let's say one day I do want to take the wrap off and just go back to paint, we can have these already painted for us. Let me bring the light over here so we can get this. But yeah, so these look really good. We have really good quality. They seem to be. These are like the same ABS like the from the factory kind of thing. But yeah, these came out really nice. They're paint matched. Paint match does seem pretty good from what I can tell. I mean, it's not on the car, so I can't really tell, but it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an STI sticker like how they have them on the older ones, or we'll come up with something cool to put there. I don't know what I'm gonna put, and then we'll get these wrapped in the same color of the wrap. So shout out to CG Wraps because they actually partially sponsored this part, so it's lit, and they're gonna be obviously wrapping it and getting that same grade that we got. So these are gonna be fire. Definitely looking forward to throwing these on. But yeah, let's go outside and try these on. Oh yeah, that's fire, big fire. Big shout out to Corbin at CG Wraps for going ahead and taking care of this for us. Good looks to Vixen Vinyls as well for making this custom, older, like GD body style inspired like STI fog cover stickers for me, and definitely came out fire. Embossed it and all that. You see it, yeah, there we go. Lighting is hitting. So what we got to do to take these off. You got to take the bumper off. There's a couple bolts up top, some clips on the side, whatever. So I'm gonna just take the bumper off. All right, yeah, here we are. The bumper is off. Oh wow, look at that. A conveniently placed bottle of Shine Armor lavender spray. This thing smells fire. Definitely check out Shine Armor. Tell them DZ sent you, they'll get you right. This is dumb fire. If your whip be smelling crazy, you know what I mean. If you know, you know. This is valid, bro. I'm telling you, this is super valid. Trust me. So big shout out Shine Armor. It's lit. And like to take these fogs off, you have to unclip these little tabs right here. Unclip all of them. There's a couple of them. And go along the side, right here on top and all of that. Then they'll pop out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out real quick. So yeah, you actually just gotta pop like those couple clips, pull it a little bit, and then it should kind of slide out like how that just did. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. I got one here, one is on, one is off, and let's see. And it is on. So this is the side-by-side. I don't know, I kind of mess with it. It gives it a little cleaner look. This does look a little bit more aggressive with like the fins and whatnot, but it is cleaner. And then get up close, you do see that STI on there. So I mean, I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, we put them on. It looks fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at it with the lights on. Little, looks good. Looks good. Definitely cleans up the front end a little bit. Yeah, bro. Basically, that's it. Fog covers, nothing too crazy. I mean, the sticker gives it at least 10 horsepower. It's pretty big. So drop a like. If you don't like it, drop a dislike, I guess. It helps the algorithm either way. And yeah, love y'all. More installs, stuff like that coming soon. Shout out CG Wraps. Easy to go to mom. Get your merch. It's lit.
Play the game 10 years and you can't flow. Ain't a city in the 8 that I can't go. I'm valid all over the ace like a Kango. I take the V, fill it up with E, and I swing, ho.